Let's find out why the iPad is frozen on the Apple icon and various solutions. Part 1. Why is my iPad stuck on the Apple logo? iPad gets stuck on Apple logo screen may be caused by failure of jailbreaking, updating iOS software, or restoring backup from iTunes or iCloud. Part 2. Fix iPad stuck on Apple logo by force reboot. Force restart iPad with home button. Hold power plus home until screen goes black, then release. Force restart iPad with Face ID. Press volume up. Release. Press volume down. Release. Hold power until iPad reboots. Part 3. Fix iPad white screen with Apple logo by restoring with DFU Mode. Connect iPad to computer, open iTunes latest version, hold home plus sleepwake for XS. Release sleepwake, keep holding home. iTunes detects recovery mode. Release home. iPad screen turns black. Retry DFU if needed. Part 4. Fix iPad stuck on white Apple screen by restoring with iTunes. Run iTunes on your computer. Connect iPad via USB. If stuck on Apple logo, enter recovery mode. Hold power on or off plus home until recovery screen appears. In iTunes. Choose restore when prompted. Wait for process to complete. Part 5. Fix iPad stuck on Apple logo with iPadOS repair tool. If you're worried about losing data to fix your iPad stuck on Apple logo, or if you are hoping to fix your iPad issue automatically and safely, you can ask for help from a professional third-party iPadOS repair tool. iOS system recovery. Part 6. Fix iPad won't go past Apple logo by charging iPad. If your iPad won't go beyond the Apple logo, it might lack sufficient battery power. Plug it in and wait a few minutes. If unresponsive after an hour, check the jack, USB cable, and power adapter.